Hi, I'm Brad from DigiTenna. This is the assembly procedure for a DigiTenna DTS Suburban antenna. This is the box that it comes in. Open it up and remove the packing materials. And one of the cardboard packing materials is the assembly instructions. This will take you through the correct assembly of the DigiTenna DT-S. Simply remove the antenna from the carton. And there are two parts, the main assembly and the rear reflector. At this point, you simply loosen the nuts on the corner reflectors and snap them in place. When you have them both snapped in place, simply retighten securely the nuts and screws. At this point, you now remove the retainer clip for the rear element. Place the rear element on the boom, lining up the holes. Reinstall the retainer clip. And thread the nut on. Tighten this securely. And we now have a completed DigiTenna DTS Suburban antenna.